Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 8th of July 2021, 2:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at the time of recording. We are looking at Bitcoin on the daily chart with the Ichimoku system and our fib retracement levels. It is currently trading below that 50% fib level, which is at 33,777, lagging span below the candlesticks. This is all setting up very nicely for a big old drop. No matter which way you want to draw these trend lines, everything here looks ugly and looks like it's about to begin its move south. The support structure that exists is still kind of there, but also not really there. The volume profile, and by the way, Bitcoin, when it makes its move down, it's going to be pretty substantial. It's below its point of control. All right, so now we're in a condition, as opposed to yesterday, now we're in a condition where it's easier to move lower than it is higher. And sentiment-wise, it is significantly easier to move lower. If you take in the market participant psychology, and how do we measure that? A lot by the volume. Volume has really died off a lot across the cryptocurrency market, especially in the altcoin market. When you see the altcoin market kind of disappear with volume, that is a sign of weakness for the whole sector, or the whole cryptocurrency space. It's kind of like when the NASDAQ loses interest. That's bad for the whole stock market, because the speculative side of the market is the one that kind of like drives momentum and keeps things going. But we're seeing altcoins volume drop, and Bitcoin's volume has dropped. And really, we're just looking at a continuation move here very soon of lower and lower prices. Not a surprise that this is coming as we get close to the weekend. As we get closer to Friday, it becomes even easier for prices to be pushed in a certain direction. And this is definitely looking like just another continuation move. Rejection up against the overbought level at 55. The composite index is crossing down, and then the percent B looks poised to cross down below 0.2. Now, when that happens, when percent B crosses below 0.2, and the RSI is still up floating where it's at, that is a recipe for big old flush in price. And where are we going to go? I feel bad for those of you who actually watch this every day, but I'm going to say it again. It's the same thing. Between 24 to 27K, that's the next level I see it going. The 786 retracement is at 23,250. And then a little bit above that, we have the 2618 at 29,000, but there is a little bit of a node up here. So really the 24K is where I would expect it. Heck, it could even go down to 19,000 because of where that's really the next major high volume node is at 19,000. So that could be where it ends up. I know that doesn't sound likely, but when Bitcoin got to 20,000, nobody thought it would be in the 2K again, but it did. And this could very easily get down to 19,000 again. So watch out for that. Other than that, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Keep an eye on this market, because once it starts to move, folks, it will leave the bus and not stop for anyone. Thank you for watching. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, please don't forget to like and subscribe.